Hi, this is Master Han with my student. That's your cue to
Hi,
say, no, you're supposed to say your name.
hi, I'm Tanay.
Okay. Today is today is Thursday, May 28th, and okay, so I'm gonna start sharing my screen, and okay, okay. So today your stats are okay. Your stats are 550 coins. Oh, you know what? I didn't put it in here. I forgot to put in your level. Okay. Level 0. Okay. Okay. Today is level 0, which is actually the first level in the Python Foo Master system. Okay.
Are you doing voice typing?
No, I mean that is the future, but no, I'm not. I don't have that here. I would like that. The laptop is not that powerful. Okay, so today at the end of the session, near the end of the session, remind me. So we'll have a coins raffle, and your magic number today is 75. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
okay.
I
Today
hope
is
I get some coins.
today is level 0 again, which is the first level in the Python Full Master System. Currently has 550 coins in his coins bank account, and he has 46 XP, and he has already earned his swapping values badge. Okay. Okay. So I sent you this daily quiz, and you didn't respond. So we'll just do it today. But generally, when I send you a daily quiz, please try to do it. Please try to do it that day. Okay. Okay. Now, usually the daily quiz is going to have, because you're level 0 now, so I'm going to give you code, okay? So what I would like you to do is first try to do it in your head, okay?
Hmm.
But even though you do it in your head and you think no, you know what the answer, what do you think the next step you should do? What should the
Mm,
next
I,
step be?
tell you the answer and see if it's right.
No, no, no. What is the whole point of learning how to code? Why are you learning how to code?
Mm,
What is
so
coding
I can be
for?
a coder.
Okay, but what is the whole point? What is the point of coding anything? You have a
Mm,
problem. You have a problem. You don't know what the answer is. So you write code to find the answer,
mm-hmm.
or to find an answer, or to solve a problem, or whatever it may be, right?
Yep.
So what is the point of coding?
The point of coding
What is
is
you make code,
to
you
solve
write code,
problems.
and what do you do with it? But then what do you do with the code?
Mm, I don't know. I don't know. I
Well, if
really
you make
don't
a
know.
video game, then what happens to the video game code? It just sits in your computer?
No, it gets inputted to the video game.
Well, what's the point of coding a video game? What do you do with the video game?
To simplify it.
Okay, but I'm saying you make a video game, then what
Mm-hmm.
happens to it? What do you do with the video game? Does it just sit in your computer doing nothing?
No, you you put it in a game card, which then sell it, and then you put
Right,
the video game card in your Nintendo
right.
Switch, and then you play.
Okay, right. They don't make video games and just have it sit in a warehouse, right?
Well, that's
It has to
technically
go,
what they do. It's a video
well,
game warehouse.
well, that's temporary. That's temporary. The whole point of it is so that kids can play the game, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So if I give you code, try to figure it out in your head, and then what would the next step be to do?
Mm-hmm.
What would the next step be?
I don't know. I really don't know. But like
If you
sell
code,
it.
if I give you code, and say, and I ask you to figure out what it does,
Mhm.
you try to do it in your head, and you
Mhm.
think you know what the answer is, but then how
Mhm.
would you double check the answer?
You do it again and see if you have the right
No,
answer.
no.
You test it.
Okay, very good. You would test the code. Well, how would you test the code?
Um, you put it in a trinket.
Right. You need to use the code editor. Okay. Tanay, you got to get your face in the camera. Your face is chopped off. Okay.
Here.
Okay. So first, try to do it in your head, and even though you think you know what the answer is,
Mhm.
copy the code into the code editor. Okay. So let's see here. So we have this code. I'm copying it in, right?
Mhm.
I'm putting it into the Python tutor. Okay. Now the thing you have to keep in mind, these greater than symbols, you don't need them. Okay. That's going to give you an error. So you need to delete that. Okay. Okay. So let's look at this code. What do you think the answer is? What do you think the output is going to be?
The output.
What do you think the output will be?
Oh, 21 modulus 5.
Right. So what would be,
Mm,
if
mm,
you print that
mm.
out, what is the computer going to do? What
The
is it going to output?
answer is 1.
One. Okay. So you're saying the output is one. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. But can you, but should you, but that's not the point of learning how to code, right? The learning how to code is not for you to find the answer. What is the point of learning how to code? What is going to give us the answer?
Um, knowledge of coding.
No. We learn how to code, so we put it into a what? We take the code
Into
and we put it into a what?
in a code editor.
Right, the code editor. But what is the code editor really?
Code editor is like the code interpreter.
Right. But what is actually doing? What is actually interpreting the code? What is actually going to give us the answer?
What is actually gonna give us the answer?
Yeah.
The
The what?
output button.
Okay, but what the output button? But what is right in front of you? What is the thing you're going to use to give you the answer?
Code. The code.
The code is just instructions. What is the
The computer.
physical? The computer, right? So we're learning how to code to get the computer to do the work for us.
Okay.
Okay. So what does the work for us?
Mr. Computer
The
Man
computer.
guy.
Okay. The computer. Okay. Now the answer for this code is 1. But if these numbers change, what happens to the answer?
It'll change as well.
It'll change as well, right? Okay. Okay, so if I execute the code, right? So I'm going to execute the code. And okay, so the first thing it's going to do, it's going to create a variable z that has the value 5, the integer 5. Then now we're going to create a variable num1, which has the integer 21, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then it's going to print the result, right? Well, first it's going to do the modulus operation, 21 modulus 5, and you said that should be 1. So then it's going to print 1, right? Let's see if that's correct. Okay, you're correct. Okay, you're right. Okay. Now,
Yeah.
now that was easy, right? Because these numbers are really small, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, let's
Yeah.
do this. Let's do this. What do you think? Do you have any idea what the answer is going to be? I'll make it
Nope.
even harder. Do you have any idea?
Nope.
Nope. Okay. So you being able to do the math is pretty useless. Okay.
Physically impossible.
Well, I wouldn't say physically impossible, but it would take you probably 5 to 10 minutes to figure out what the answer is using paper and pencil.
5 minutes.
Okay. Okay, 5 minutes. Okay. 5 minutes, okay. Okay. So the point of coding is not to know the answers because the computer will give us the answers, right? But you do have to understand what the computer is doing, right? Okay. Okay, so when I run the code, gonna run the code again, right? I don't know what the answer is. I have no idea. The computer tells us the answer. Z is 5,555, integer 5,555. Num1 is
21 mil.
212,000. It's a big number. Okay. And now I'm going to have us give us the answer. What is
And now the moment of truth.
212,121 modulus 5,000? I have whatever. I don't know. Let's see. What is the answer? Okay. 1,031. Did you have any idea the answer was going to be 1,031?
It didn't even say it. It doesn't
No, it
say
says right
1,000.
here. Today, it says right here.
Oh.
The outputs, okay?
The answer is 3,011.
No, where did you get, where do you see 3,011?
So that's what it said.
No, that's not what it said.
What did it say?
I just showed you 1,031. Look.
1,000.
Look, this is the output screen over here on the right, okay?
Oh,
Step
there
1,
it
I
is.
create Z. Step two, I create num1. Step 3, it does num1 modulus Z. And then the answer is right here on the right, 1,031. Where did you get 3,000? I don't know where you got 3,000. Okay. Okay, today I'm going to give you control.
Oh, nice.
Give you control. Okay.
I was actually thinking about getting control.
So let's change Z. Let's change Z. Make Z a different number.
Okay.
No, not num1. I said Z.
Oh, sorry.
That's fine. Just keep okay. Okay, let's make Z into a different number.
I'm trying.
You can't move the mouse?
Wait a sec.
Nothing's happening? Okay, 1 second. Here, okay. Change the number.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Nothing's working?
Wait a second. Oh, wait.
Okay, it's working, yeah. Hey, we don't have all day. We only have it. Whoa. Okay. Okay, now execute the code. Move go down the page and execute the code.
Okay, I'm just gonna move my mouse over here. It's not letting me.
It's not letting you? I don't know why it's not letting you.
Is this in the billions, this number that I just did?
Okay, try now. I made the screen smaller.
Okay, thank you.
Click on the visualize execution button.
Visualize excudation. Come on, work.
You can't move the mouse?
Oh, come on, man.
You can't move the mouse?
Nope.
The mouse is
well,
not
I can move the mouse, fine. It's not letting me press visualize calculation.
Okay, try slowly. Try moving it slowly, okay? Okay, 1 second. I'm going to just move the camera out of the way.
There it is.
Well, I'm sorry, 1 second. Just give me 1 second.
Master Han, it's here now.
Okay, give me 1 second because I need to just move the camera out of the way. Okay. Okay, now let's click next. Okay, click next. Wait a
I'm
second.
trying.
Wait a second. It's not. You're in Canada and I'm in California, so it's going to take a while. Okay. Yeah, that's a really big number. Okay, click next. I don't know. You move the mouse out off the button. You need to move the mouse onto the button.
I did. It's on the next button.
I don't know. Something's not working. Okay, 1 second.
Master Han. It'll take a little bit long.
1 second.
Master Han, I need to go wash my hands.
Okay, okay. Go wash your hands.
I did it! Baya, don't worry, Baya. Don't worry. Don't worry, Baya. Don't worry.
Yeah, I'm doing it. No, यहाँ पे I'm putting him to sleep.
Oh.
Can you please, Master Han will get disturbed. Can you go in your room?
Hi, Master Han.
Okay, so I changed the daily quiz. So I changed the daily quiz. So after this session, you can so you get a chance to earn 25 XP and 25 coins. I changed the question, so it's a different question. Okay. So this is the question. So the question, yes.
Oh wait, never mind.
So the question now is, what two integers do we need to output the integer 0?
The integer 0.
So what do we need z and num1 to be to output the integer 0? Okay. So do that after. So do that after this session. Okay.
Well, there can be lots of
Whoa, whoa,
numbers.
whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah. I understand that. Yeah. I said do it after our session.
I know.
Okay.
I know.
I didn't say do it now. Okay. Didn't say do it now. Okay. So we're going to go and today we'll get your, now the badges I want you to work on your own. But today we're going to do the modulus. We'll do the modulus badge in the session. But if we do the badges during the sessions, then it's going to it's going to use up a lot of the time, okay?
Okay.
So try to do it by yourself. If your mother can help you, then have her help you if you have a question. But I'm always here. I'm always here to answer any questions that you have, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so you know what? I didn't, okay. Okay, so I'm just going to do a quick review. Okay. 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 So if I print 5 modulus 3, okay, let's
Wait,
do
Master
print.
Han,
Yes.
something happened here.
What happened?
Uh, okay, I'm back.
Okay. Okay, so this is basically the 3 possible. Tanay, your face is chopped off. You need to put it in the camera, okay?
Here?
Okay,
How
so
about
when we do the modulus operator, okay? Okay, again, what is another word to describe the modulus operation? What's another word?
To describe modulus?
Yeah. What's another word to describe modulus?
Remainders.
Very good, remainder. Very good. Okay. So if the first number is bigger than the second number,
Remainders. What?
the first number is bigger than the second number, then you should get a remainder that's greater than 0, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Now, when the first number is less than the second number, what is the remainder? If the first number is less than the second number, what is the remainder?
0.
No.
No, it could be anything really.
Okay, let's try again. If the first number is less than the second number, what is the remainder? What is the rule?
What is the what?
Look at this. 3 modulus 5, right? 3 modulus 5.
Yeah.
What is the remainder? What is modulus? What is the result? What is the remainder? 3 modulus 5. What's the remainder?
2.
No. How is it 2? How many times does 5 go into 3?
Oh, 0. So then the correct answer will be 5.
No, Tanay.
No, there's
How many times does 5 go into 3?
0 times.
0. Okay. So if it goes into 3 0 times, then what is the remainder? Tanay, you got to keep your face in the camera. So if 5 goes into 3 0 times, then what is the remainder? What is left over? If I subtract 0 5s from 3, then
the
what is
answer
the
will be
remainder?
3.
Right, the
So,
answer was 3. When the
3
first number is smaller than the second number, the answer is just the first number.
Mhm.
Okay?
Mhm.
What did I just say today?
When the first number is smaller than the second number, then the answer will always be the
The
first number.
remainder.
Remainder
Okay?
will always be the first
It
number.
will just be the first number, okay?
Mhm.
What if it's modulus? What if the first and the second number are the same numbers? 5 modulus 5, 3 modulus 3, 1 modulus 1. So what is the remainder?
5 modulus 3, 3 modulus 5, and 5 modulus 1. Wait, what is the remainder for which question?
When it's the same number. If the
Oh,
first number and the second number are the same, the first
then
number
the remainder is 0.
0. Okay. So when the first number is bigger than the second number, Tanay, your face is chopped off. Tanay. So when the your whole face, everyone wants to see the whole face, Tanay, not cut off, your face cut off, okay?
Okay, wait. How about now?
Okay. Keep your face in the video, okay? So when the first number is bigger than the second number, okay? The remainder will be greater than 0. Okay? Okay, so 5 modulus 3. What is 5 modulus 3?
5 modulus 3 is
What is the output?
2.
2, right. Okay.
2.
And then what is the output of 3 modulus 5?
The output of 3 modulus 5 is 3.
3, okay. And then what is 5 modulus 5?
0.
0, right? Because they're
Zero.
it's but the same number. Okay. But how do we know we have the correct answers?
You visualize execution.
Right. We have to run the code. We have to run the code, okay? So for the first one, okay, it is 2. Okay. For the second one, okay, it's 3. Tanay, your face is chopped off.
Okay, how about now?
Okay, better. And the third one is 0. 0. Okay. 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 So now we have here. Okay. Okay. So if we print 5 modulus 5, what is the output?
If you print 5 modulus 5, what is the output? Let me think.
Let you think.
5 modulus 5 equals 0, 0, 0, 0,
Okay.
0.
If we print 5 modulus 10, what is the output? 5 modulus 10.
5.
5, right. Now, if we print 23 modulus 7, what is the output?
2.
2, okay. Okay, now this is a hard one. I'll copy this. Okay, I'll copy this. Okay, so can you tell me what the answer to this one is?
Let me think. The remainder is 5.
Are you sure the remainder is 5?
Yes.
How is it 5? How did you get 5? How did you get 5?
So you have 15 and 65. What? And then I did what is 15 times 4, which is 60. So that means there's 5 remaining.
Well, what is the first number?
The first number is 65.
How is it 65?
Oh, wait. The first number is 15.
Okay, the first number is
answer
15. So it's 15 modulus what?
65.
Okay.
So the answer is 15.
Okay, 15.
I got it right in the first try.
No, you needed help today. You needed help, okay?
Okay.
Okay, 1 second. So let's say I run the code and, okay, so it's 15. A is 65. B is 15. 15 modulus, B modulus A becomes 15 modulus 65. And so the remainder is 15. So C is 15. Okay. Okay. I'm going to give you another one because you needed help. Okay. I'm going to give you another one. Let's see if you can figure this one out. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, let's do this. Okay, I'll do this. Okay. What is the output? What is the output of this code?
Output of this code is 15.
Why is it 15?
Because it says how many times can 66 go into 15? It's 0 times. And
Okay.
then 0 times this, that equals 15.
Okay, so I'm gonna reverse the numbers. Here, look. What is the output of this code?
Master Honey was 66, not 65.
No, hey, I can change the numbers whatever I want. What is?
5.
Why is it 5?
15 times 4 is 60.
So what is?
So
No. Okay, let's
the
start.
remainder
What
is
is?
5.
So what does B modulus A become? What is B modulus A in this situation?
B modulus A would be, let me think. 15. Hey, Master Han, did you see that?
What?
Something just happened.
Okay, so
I think somebody's hacking here because
no, don't worry, it wasn't hacking. I was just checking something. B modulus A becomes what? What equation does B modulus A become?
I don't know.
How could you not know? It's right in front of you. What is B?
15.
No. I'm asking you, what is the equation? B modulus A. What does it when you replace the variables with the values? What does B modulus A? What is B modulus A?
65 modulus 15.
Okay. So you said 65 modulus 15 is has the remainder of 5, right?
Yep.
Okay. So I'm gonna run the code and let's see if you got that right. Okay. So A is 15, B is 65, and then what is 65 modulus 15? And that is, okay, 5. Okay, correct. Okay, I'm going to give you one more. What is the output of this code?
The output of this code equals 0.
Okay,
0,
0.
0, 0.
Very good.
Even if you switch the numbers, it would be 0. Oh.
Okay, and I'm just gonna, okay, right? A is 65, B is 65, so C is going to be the remainder, and that would be 0, because it's the same number. Okay, you did a great job. Okay, so now I'm going to, where are you? Okay, here we are.
Do I get my modulus badge?
Yeah, I'm doing it right now, look. Putting you in the, okay. So just give me like a half an hour, and okay, what is it you get? You get 50. Oh, you get another magic number. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Get another magic number, and okay, so I'm gonna give you 50 more XP here, and I'm gonna give you 50 more coins. Okay, so you see that, right?
Yep.
Okay, so now you have 600. Now you have 600 coins. Okay. Okay, and okay, so you had the magic number 75, and we're going to give you another magic number. I'll give you the magic number. Pick the magic number. What magic number? Yeah, pick it. I don't care.
8.
8? Okay.
Yeah, that's my age, so
Okay.
I like 8.
Okay, 8. So what time is it? So I keep track.
It is 1:44 here.
Okay.
Over here it's 1:44. I don't know what.
But today, doing the badges and during the class, that takes up a lot of time. Okay.
Mhm.
takes up a lot of time. So if we could,
Wait,
so
and
if
Master Han, don't
you
forget to
could,
do the raffle, weekly raffle.
yeah. So we'll do it at the. We'll do it in. We will do that in 15 minutes, I think. Okay. Okay. So I just want to show you that. I want to show you that another student, OFEA, OFEA. He did his art project, and oh, I'm sorry. I thought I copied it in here. Oops. I thought I copied it in there. Okay. Wait a minute. So part of coding is you know, remixing code. And
What's remixing?
okay, I'm sorry. I thought I had it in there. Okay.
Master Han, what's remixing?
Well, you know, it would take a long time for coders to build everything from scratch.
Mm-hmm.
So one of the things that that a lot of coders do is they will not steal, but they will use other people's code with their permission. Okay. So Ethan didn't do all of this by himself. He used my code, and then he remixed my code. And
I thought you're not allowed to say his name.
well, because he's a, you know, he's because it's a personal, because it's not an adult. Okay, Tanay, you gotta keep your face in the camera. Hello,
Sorry,
Tanay.
the computer keeps on falling.
Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna no. I'm gonna put this under art contest, so you can see an example of what the other students are working on. Okay.
Master Han,
So yes.
where do I even get your code?
Hey, it's in the Google Classroom. Everything
is?
is in Google Classroom. Okay. Everything
Okay.
is in Google Classroom. It's not a secret. There's no secrets. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so I created a link, and I'll show you the link, and you can actually look at his code, and then also see what the code does. Okay, so I'm creating a post under art contest, and I pushed the deadline to next Friday, so everyone will have more time to work on it. Okay. Have you done any work on the code art project today?
Not yet.
Okay, well,
I don't get the time, so I'm starting it today.
okay, well, okay, so this is his code, okay? And if you click on the link, you can see what he's been doing, okay?
Okay.
And basically, it's a black background with different shapes and different thicknesses, okay?
Thickness?
Yeah, the pen, you can change the thickness of the pen, so it doesn't always have to be a thin line. You could, okay? So he changed some of the colors, and he created more turtles, okay? And he has a lot of different loops, okay? What do you think?
This is good. This is actually really good.
Now keep in mind, he didn't do it all by himself. He did take my code and remix it, okay?
Okay. Okay.
So we got circles, we have octagons, we got triangles, we have triangles, hexagons. So we got a whole bunch of different shapes, different colors, and every time you run the code, the shapes will change. The shapes will be the same shapes, but they'll just be different numbers of shapes. okay, and different colors, okay. So
Did he tell you what the theme is? Like, does this art project even have a theme?
well, the theme is well, I wouldn't say
Shapes?
there's a specific theme, but I guess
Wait, Master Han,
I guess the theme is just geometric shapes. Yes.
it's now it's like different
Right, it's different.
sizes and
Right.
different places and
Right.
shapes and colors.
Because he's using the random module. The random module allows you to get the computer to pick random numbers, and by choosing random numbers that are not always the same numbers, then the program will do random will create random actions.
Okay.
Okay, right. This not the same colors, it's not the same shapes, and the shapes are not in the same position. The computer the computer is the computer is well, I mean, the computer is not really thinking, but you could say that the computer is, randomly choosing different colors, different thicknesses, and different
So
locations.
basically, like spin the wheel.
Yeah, spin the wheel. Well, you have to keep in mind that when the way the computer generates random numbers, it's not actually random. It's what we call pseudo random. It's fake random. But 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 for most purposes, I mean, it looks random, right? Video games don't have a spinner inside. They use a
Really?
they use a math formula to generate random numbers.
Yeah, like this the math formula makes a spinner out of code and then spins. Like
Right.
it doesn't physically make a picture of a spinner
You
and
can't,
spin.
right. You can't have anything. You can't have a physical spinner inside a computer. It just doesn't. In order for the computer to generate actual, real random numbers, it would make the computer very complicated. So it would add extra cost to the cost of making the computer, but it's not something that most people would want to pay extra for. What do you think of this one?
I like it.
Okay.
Really, really
So the
like
code
it.
so I put a link into your Google Classroom so you can look at the code. Okay. But everything you need to do the project is already in there. Okay. I have the Turtle graphics code. Okay. I have all the code, and I tell you what the code does. Okay. The only thing you have to keep in mind is when you copy and paste it, you have to get rid of these dots. You have to replace the dots with spaces. Okay. But also I have a link to a trinket. So you could just open this trinket, copy the code into your trinket, and then start playing around with the code, okay?
Mind blown. Kaboom.
Mind blown. Okay, I got to keep track of time. What time is it now? I don't know what time.
Over here it's
Okay.
1:53.
Okay. Okay, and also again, okay, I need to change that. So I'm gonna give.
Are you in the LA time zone or the New York time zone?
I'm in the LA time zone. You're in the New York time zone where you live. Okay. So you see, I extended the date to. I'm sorry, I didn't do that. So I changed the date. So now it's going to be June 5th, next Friday. Okay. So you'll have more time to work on it. Okay.
Yeah. Master Han,
Yes.
when you stop recording, there's something I want to tell you.
Okay. 1 second. Okay. Oops. I don't know how to spell Thursday. Okay. So now the deadline, I pushed the deadline to Friday, June. Oops. I can't spell. No, that's them. Okay. Okay. What is your magic numbers? Your magic numbers are
75.
8 and 75. Okay, 8 and 75. Okay. So let's start. Okay, I don't need to share anymore. Okay.
8 and 75.
Okay. Okay, roll number one. Roll number one. Oh my God, I don't believe this.
What is it? Oh my god!
Oh,
Oh my
oh.
god! Dun, 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 dun,
Whoa,
dun, dun.
Tanay is lucky. Tanay is
Dun,
really
dun, dun,
lucky
dun,
today.
dun, 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 dun.
Okay, you're
Yes.
gonna do that dance all the time.
Dun,
Okay,
dun,
okay.
dun, dun.
So I have to give you. Oh, I don't want to give you. I don't want to give you anything. Oh, oh, I'm sorry.
Average coins make it.
I'm sorry. I cheated you. I was gonna only give you 50. Supposed to give you 100.
Oh, nice. So now I have 700 coins.
700? No, not 700. Your math is off today. That's 650. How did you get 700? That's
Because you
650.
gave me 50 earlier, remember?
Oh, you're right. I
Yeah, you
forgot.
did. When I got my modulus badge, you gave me 50. So it's
I must
really
have deleted.
700.
I must have deleted something. Okay, right. Okay. I'm not a cheater. I'm not gonna cheat you. Okay, I'm not gonna cheat you. Okay.
Rule number 2.
Whoa. You only win once. I don't know where you get the idea of roll number 2. You only win once today.
I know. But you have to roll 10 times. That's what you did last
No,
time.
I said roll 10 times if you win. Where did you get that idea? Okay.
Oh.
So your new stats are okay. How come it didn't upgrade? Oh, I didn't give you the 50 points yet. For the badge. Okay. Okay. I gave you the 50 and the 100 and 50 XP today for your badge. Okay. So we're all good. We're all good now, right?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, we still have a little bit of time. Okay, so let's just okay, let's give you a chance to get some more XP. Okay. Can you tell me what looping is? What is looping?
Looping is, well, making a code go run over and over and over again. Well, it's like part of, it could be a whole
Okay,
code, it could be part of a code.
That's close. That's close.
There's lots, and there's,
whoa. Okay. Looping is when the computer.
looping is when the computer.
No. There's the answer is not a hand movement. Looping is when the computer.
Looping is when the
what?
computer loops something, makes something go over and over again, like this dance. It's going over and over again.
Okay. Tanay, okay. Looping is when the computer executes. Repeat after me. Looping is when the computer executes.
Looping is when the computer executes
The same.
the same
What? The same what?
code over.
Okay.
Over
okay, that's fine. I would say I want you to say instructions. Instructions or actions.
Instructions. Code.
Over
what
and
is
over.
the difference?
Okay, let's try again. What is looping?
Looping is when the computer executes certain instructions.
No, not certain. Not certain. Let's try again. Looping is when the computer
executes instructions over and over again.
The same instructions.
The same instructions.
Let's try again. Looping is when the. Let's try again.
Looping is when the computer executes the same instructions over and over and over and over and over and over and over
Over and
again.
over. Okay. Next time when I ask you that question, I want that answer. Okay. The answer you gave is okay, but it was kind of a little bit vague. Okay. A little bit vague. What is a variable, Tanay?
A variable is a block with a name that holds a value.
What is a value?
A value is data that is stored inside of a variable.
Okay. I'm gonna give you 10 points, 5 points each. So I'll give you 10 points. Okay.
I don't even know how much points I have.
XP is now 106. XP is now
XP.
106. I'll post it. I'll post all your stats after the session. I'll post all your stats after.